Still using a regular frying pan for stir-fry? Then you're missing the intense heat, smoky flavor, and restaurant-quality results that only a great carbon steel wok can deliver. After comparing dozens of models, we've picked the top 5 best carbon steel woks you can buy in 2026. Links to all featured products are in the description below. Also, before we jump in, subscribe to Nexi and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Joyce Chen Classic Carbon Steel Wok. Starting at number 5 is the Joyce Chen Classic Carbon Steel Wok, one of the most popular entry-level carbon steel woks in North America. What makes this wok stand out is its excellent balance between affordability and performance. Many budget woks feel thin and lose heat quickly when ingredients are added. This one uses 1.5mm carbon steel that heats rapidly while maintaining enough thermal stability for proper stir-frying. That means vegetables stay crisp, meat develops better browning, and food cooks faster overall. The flat-bottom design is especially useful for American and European kitchens because it works directly on modern gas, electric, ceramic, and many induction cooktops without requiring a wok ring. Another feature users appreciate is its lightweight construction. Unlike heavy cast iron cookware, this wok is easy to lift, toss, and maneuver during cooking. As seasoning develops over time, the cooking surface naturally transforms into a slick non-stick patina that improves flavor and cooking performance with every meal. For beginners entering the world of carbon steel cooking, it's one of the safest and smartest choices available. Number 4. GreenPan Kyoto Carbon Steel Wok. At number 4 we have the GreenPan Kyoto Carbon Steel Wok. One reason many people avoid carbon steel cookware is the seasoning process. GreenPan eliminates that concern by delivering this wok pre-seasoned and ready to cook right out of the box. For busy households across the US and Europe, that convenience is a major advantage. The large 14-inch cooking surface easily handles family-sized portions, making it ideal for stir-fries, noodles, fried rice, vegetables, seafood, and one-pan meals. Its carbon steel construction responds quickly to heat adjustments, giving cooks better control than many traditional non-stick pans. The ashwood handle remains comfortable during long cooking sessions, while the helper handle adds extra stability when the wok is fully loaded. If you want authentic wok cooking without the learning curve, the Kyoto offers one of the easiest transitions into carbon steel ownership. Number 3. Made in Carbon Steel Wok. Taking the third spot is the Made in Carbon Steel Wok. Made in has become a favorite among professional chefs and serious home cooks throughout the United States and Europe, and this wok demonstrates exactly why. The construction quality immediately feels premium. The wok combines the responsiveness of stainless steel with the heat retention of cast iron, creating a cooking experience that's ideal for high-temperature cooking. One area where this wok truly excels is searing. Whether you're cooking beef, chicken, shrimp, or vegetables, it reaches and maintains the temperatures necessary for developing deep caramelization and authentic Wok Hei flavor. Its deeper profile also reduces spills while providing additional cooking space for larger recipes. As the seasoning layer matures, the wok becomes increasingly non-stick, allowing healthier cooking with less oil while still delivering restaurant-level results. For serious cooking enthusiasts, this is where premium performance begins. Number 2. Craft Wok Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok. Coming in at number 2 is the Craft Wok Hand-Hammered Carbon Steel Wok. If authenticity is your priority, this may be the most traditional wok on our entire list. Unlike mass-produced alternatives, each wok is hand-hammered by experienced craftsmen in Guangzhou using traditional manufacturing techniques that have been refined for generations. The heavy 15-gauge carbon steel construction provides exceptional durability and heat responsiveness. Professional chefs often prefer hand-hammered surfaces because they help ingredients move naturally around the wok during high-heat cooking. That translates into better control, more even cooking, and a more authentic stir-frying experience. The wooden handle offers a secure grip, while the helper handle provides additional support when lifting larger portions. For cooks who want the closest experience to traditional Chinese restaurant cooking, few products come close. Number 1. Yosukata Carbon Steel Wok. And taking the number 1 position is the Yosukata Carbon Steel Wok. This wok consistently ranks among the highest-rated carbon steel woks across Amazon, specialty cookware retailers, and enthusiast communities. The biggest advantage is versatility. Unlike many competitors that require extensive preparation, the The Yosukata arrives pre-seasoned at extremely high temperatures, creating a smoother cooking surface from the very first use. The premium carbon steel construction heats evenly and responds quickly to temperature changes, making it suitable for everything from delicate vegetables to aggressive high-heat searing. Whether you're stir-frying, deep-frying, steaming, braising, or even cooking outdoors over a grill or open flame, this wok handles the job effortlessly. The flat-bottom design works exceptionally well in modern American and European kitchens, while the ergonomic wooden handle provides excellent comfort during extended cooking sessions. Simply put, it delivers the best combination of performance, versatility, durability, and value in today's carbon steel wok market. Those are our picks for the top 5 best carbon steel works of 2026. If you're interested in any of the products we featured in this video, you'll find carefully selected links down in the description. We've picked them based on different needs and different budgets, so you can easily choose what fits you best. Got questions? Or maybe there's a product you want us to review? Just drop a comment below. We actually go through every request, and your feedback really helps shape our upcoming videos. And if this video helped you in any way, support Nexi by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who might need it.